Hi, I'm doing a review today on this electronic high pressure washer. It's 1800 watts, okay? As you can see on the front of it, all right? It comes with so many different accessories, you guys. This thing is insane. It comes with so many different accessories, okay? It comes with a user manual. This user manual is proper to help you figure out how to put it together properly and how to maintain it, how to clean it if need be, and everything, okay? Then it comes with a quick start guide. The quick start guide also comes with a product sheet. So it's the user manual. This product sheet shows you everything that it comes with. We'll start with the 4 adjustable nozzles. Here they go right here, okay? Then we're going to go to the gun lance, okay? This is your gun lance right here, okay? All right. The gun handle, okay? This is the gun handle, okay? It has a lock on it also. You can press that lock off by clicking it that way, and you're able to squeeze the nozzle, okay? Lock it back like that. You can't squeeze it anymore, which is awesome, okay? It comes with a pressure hose and the detergent bottle. Okay, this is the pressure hose right here, which is awesome, you guys. Look at that. All right, and here go the bottle, the detergent bottle. If you can see it on it, it has all the way up to 500 milliliters, going all the way down to 100 milliliters. Okay, here's the nozzle for the spray bottle. Okay, all right, you got, let's see, anything else? Well, it just shows you, like I was showing you, the safety lock. It has the hose hanger. This is the hose. This is the hose hanger right here. Okay, it got so many different features, you guys. All right, it has a bottle rack as well. Bottle rack, a hose hanger. So here go the bottle rack and the hose hanger right here. Here's the screws to screw it in. Right here, you got the 2 holes right there. These are screws for that. Okay, you guys, this thing is awesome. It comes jam-packed with so many different items. You know, here goes the pressure washer itself. This lets up for easy access to carry and wheel around. It has your wheels on it. Okay, it has your on and off button right here to turn it on for the pressure washer. Okay, shows you other safety things on the back of it, or on the side of it rather. All right. It also gives you all your high pressure washer. It shows you other things that you need and the degrees in which it goes. All right, this right here is where you install the water hose. Okay, it does not come with a water hose. Okay, but it comes with a long cord. Comes with a long outlet cord that you plug into the wall, and you begin on your pressure washing journey, you guys. This thing is awesome. It comes equipped with all that you see here. So it is awesome. And I love the wheels on this thing. You got a button right here as well. Okay. So you got these different buttons, and the button to turn it on for the pressure. And you got the button to actually turn it on. So this is awesome. Awesome, you guys. I am so excited to use this, and I'm so excited to go. Now, this is the quick start guide. Okay, it shows you the assembly of the power hook. Okay, assembly of the power lance holder. Okay, that's the power lance holder. Okay, and it shows you where you connect the high pressure hose outlet. That is not a switch. That helps you connect the outlet. Correction on that. Here's the switch to turn it on and off. Okay, and it shows you how to plug up the connect the high pressure hose to the sprayer. It shows you all that. Install the sprayer rod. Okay, the fitting nozzles. All right, and
this is my new pressure washer. Putting it together was a snap. It came with instructions, but you may not have to use them. I didn't. This is already hooked up. And as you can see, the water's on full blast and there is no leaking whatsoever. I've done a little bit of spraying, which is why you see some wetness. And if you look over here, you'll see where I've already done a little bit of the driveway. I'm going to do a little bit more.
Alright, so we got our little electric high pressure washer. And it works pretty good. Power doesn't turn on until you hit the trigger. With a 15% nozzle, and you get close enough, you can really clean the concrete off when it's spinning. So far, this is one issue I see. The release button to get this out of here is really does not work properly. Like, I'm pushing with all my might. I actually had it pop out on me twice already, trying to get it